This is the question from Simultaneous Equations chapter. Mahin travels 600 kilometers partly by train and partly by car. He takes 8 hours to cover the whole distance if travels 120 kilometers by train and the rest by car. Now the rest will be 600 minus 120, that will be 480 kilometers. But he takes 20 minutes longer if he travels 200 kilometers by train and the rest by car. Find the speed of train and car. Now because there are two quantities here, the train and the car, the first speed we will call as x kilometers per hour and car we will call as y kilometers per hour. So we will have the train and we will have the car, and the distance in the first case, the train is going to be how much? 120 kilometers, and the car is going to be, total is 600, so it will be 480 kilometers. And we will say the speed for the train, let it be x kmph, and let the speed for car, let it be y kilometers per hour. Okay, so what will be our time taken by the train and the car separately? Time will be distance upon speed, so this will be 120 upon x, these many hours, and for the car it will be 480 upon y hours. Okay, but then they say total time. The total time, it is equal to 8 hours. So therefore in this, which is the case 1, the time by train will be 120 upon x plus 480 upon y, and that is equal to 8. Now in order to make this a little simpler, we will divide this by 120. Therefore it will be 120x divided by 120 means 1 upon x, plus 120 divides here, so 120 goes 4 times, so 4 upon y, and that is equal to 8 upon 120. So we'll have 8 once and it will go 15 times, so we will have 1 upon 15 here, and that becomes our equation 1. Now in our second case, again we will have to make these columns. So we will have the distance, then we'll have the speed, and then we'll have the time. The first quantity we will write as train, and then we will write by car. Distance by train in the second case is 200 kilometers. So the car will be traveling out of 600, 200 by train, so car will be 400 kilometers, correct? Speed will be the same for train and the car, how we wrote here. I'll write here kmph, so I don't have to keep writing here, and this will be the hours. This will be 200 upon x hours, and here it will be distance upon time means 400 upon y hours. Okay, now the total time over here, the total time is equal to 20 minutes longer, which means it is 8 hours 20 minutes. Okay, which means it is going to be 8 and 20 upon 60 means 1/3. So that becomes 25 upon 3 hours. Okay, now the total time also will be 200 upon x plus 400 upon y, and that is equal to total time 25 upon 3. Now here in this equation I can see 200 and 400, so I'll divide everything by 200. So I will have here 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 25 upon 3 into 200. Okay, 25 ones and 25 eights. So it becomes 1 upon 24. Let us write the two equations here. 1 upon x plus 4 upon y. That gives us 1 upon 15 here. And and this is our equation 1, and the second equation is 1 upon x plus it is 2 upon y, and that's equal to 1 upon 24. This is our equation 2. Now we can substitute 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y as n, but I think this is simple enough equation, so we will just try and eliminate this x first. So we will just subtract the second equation, so we would have this getting cancelled, and we will have 4 upon y minus 2 upon y will be equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 24. So this will give us 4 upon y minus 2 upon y, means 2 upon y is equal to, here we'll have to take the LCM. LCM would be 120 here. So 15 8s and 24 5s. So we will get 2 upon y is equal to 3 upon 120. So y will be equal to, of course this is 1 upon 40. So y comes here and 40 goes there. So 40 into 2, which is 80 kmph. What is y? This is the speed of the car. Now we will substitute y equal to 80 kmph in equation 1 upon x plus 4 upon y equal to 1 upon 15. So we will have 1 upon x plus 4 upon 80, and that is equal to 1 upon 15. Okay, so this is 4 ones and 4 20s. So we would have therefore x equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 20. How much would that give us as LCM? 60. So 15 4s 60, 23s. So we will get, oops, sorry, this should have been 1 upon x. So 1 upon x equal to, it will be 1 upon 60. So therefore x will be equal to 60 kmph. What is x? X is the speed of train. Okay, so we'll say therefore speed of train equal to 60 kmph and speed of car is equal to 80 kmph. Okay, and these ones are our two speeds that they asked us to find. So that is our answer. Okay, I hope you understood how to do this. If you have any more doubts, then maybe you could write in the comments, and also write in the comments whether you understood this or no. Happy to help you. Bye.